Good morning and welcome to online class. Day 24, class 6 of the Social Studies, lesson 2.4, and lesson name is Our Culture Heritage. Yes, this is new lesson. Yes, today we will study new lesson. Yes, today we will study about our culture, our heritage, and what is the meaning of cultural heritage. Yes, first of all, I want to explain you heritage. What is the meaning of heritage? Heritage is the full range of our inherited traditions, monuments, objects, and culture. Most important, it is the range of contemporary activities, meaning, and behaviors that we draw from them. Yes, heritage means what? It is very important range. Yes, range of contemporary activities. Yes, this is the meaning of what? Heritage. And culture means what? We know that the meaning of culture. Yes, because we follow all culture and tradition. Yes, and next, the meaning of cultural heritage. What is the meaning of cultural heritage? It means flowing to generation. Yes, culture followed by generation to generation is called cultural heritage. Yes, cultural heritage is an expression of the ways of living developed by a community and passed on from generation to generation, including custom, practice, place, objects, and value. This is the meaning of culture heritage. Yes, culture heritage, way of living developed. Yes, way of living developed by a community. एउटा कम्युनिटीमा बसेर हामीले जुन लिभिङ स्ट्यान्डर्ड जुन हुन्छ हाम्रो वे अफ लिभिङ हुन्छ त्यसलाई जेनेरेसन टु जेनेरेसन जुन हामीले पास गर्छौं. यस, including our custom, tradition, values, place, object, that means culture heritage. Yes, that is the meaning of culture heritage. And Nepal is, we know that Nepal is a multi-ethnic group, multicultural country. Yes, it is rich in culture. Yes, culture and culture heritage. We know that Nepal is very rich in culture and culture heritage. Yes, different types of customs, ornament, folk music, folk dance, painting, architecture, and sculpture are our culture heritage. Today we will study about traditional customs. Today we will study about traditional custom. Different ethnic group have different traditional custom. Yes, आफ्नो कास्टको आफ्नो के हुन्छ त कस्टम हुन्छ. Yes, in our country there are different types of custom. Yes, we know that there are different types of custom. Yes, Nepali people wear different customs according to their caste, tradition, and geographical location. Yes, hilly region, Tarai region, Himalaya region, geographical region अनुसारले पनि के गर्छन् त डिफरेन्ट लगाउँछन्. त्यति मात्रै नभएर आफ्नो कास्ट ट्रेडिसन अनुसारले पनि के गर्छन् त डिफरेन्ट कस्टमहरु लगाउँछन्. यस, they wear daura surbal. Yes, daura surbal, bhoto, topi, kamji, dhoti, gamcha, pagri. Yes, pangden, angi, bakhu, gajo, galek. Yes, a custom worn by gurung, uman, petani, bona, makhali, hakupasti, gaman, kal KAL80 वाला quality, custom, sunar, community, ghagra, lenga, etc. These all wear the custom of people. Yes, these all are the custom of people who wear. हामीले के गर्छौं यो कस्टमहरु वेयर गर्ने गर्छौं. यस, धोती, कुर्ता, पगडी. यस, बोटो, चोली. Yes, these all are the custom of people which they wear. Yes, These all are our what culture heritage trade. This is traditional customs. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो के हो त ट्रेडिसनल कस्टम हो. According to different caste, tradition and culture heritage, we wear our customs. Yes. And next is traditional ornaments. Traditional ornaments के हो त? के लगाउँछन् त पिपुलहरूले? Yes, mainly women. What they wear? Traditional ornaments. Yes. These are different customs. The Nepali women wear different traditional ornaments. Yes, we know very well because we are also women. Yes, and we know about traditional ornaments. Yes. Dungri, Bulaki, Fuli, Kalli, Tilhari, Naugedi. Yes. Mala, Sirbandi, Chandrama, Kampani Mala, Chandrahar, Amuthi, Nathuni, Bichia, yes, Bichkini, Mugmala, Mugamala, Hausali, Chaptenson, etc. Some important traditional ornament that Nepali women wear on different occasions in their community. We know very well about this ornament. Yes, when festival comes, we wear different ornaments. Yes, Bulaki, Tilhari, Naugedi. Yes, different types of mala. Yes, Amuthi. Yes, and same like that we wear bichia also in our leg. Yes, leg fingers. Yes, and hausali. Yes, these all are the what ornaments of traditional ornaments of which wear by women. Yes, these all are the ornaments which wear by women in Nepal. Yes, today we study about heritage, culture heritage, and some important culture heritage. Today we study. Yes, today we study about traditional customs. Yes, which different caste and different traditions used. Yes, and next is traditional ornament. We just now I have explained you. Mainly women wear in their own community. Different community people wear different ornaments. Yes, different caste, different community wear different their own ornaments. Yes, and in next class I will teach you about traditional dance. I will explain you the traditional dance. What is the meaning of traditional dance and how they follow. Yes, this I will explain you in next class. Today this much. Yes, and I will give you some tasks and please complete your tasks in time. What do you mean by heritage? Yes, just I have written there. Yes, I explain you about that, the meaning of heritage right from there. Yes, same like that. Define culture heritage in your own words. What is the meaning of culture heritage? Explain you. Okay. Name the traditional custom one in your community. आफ्नो कम्युनिटीमा कुन कस्टम युज गर्नुहुन्छ त्यसको बारेमा चाहिँ के गर्नुस् त लेख्नुस्, एक्सप्लेन गर्नुस्. Yes, okay. I will meet you in next class. Today this much. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.